Well, we are still in Edgemont Village. This project has yet to be named, and this is in North Vancouver, BC. We are going to be doing a holistic interior renovation of this project. I am very excited to continue sharing the progress that is going to happen on this project. Without further ado, let's jump in. Okay, so first part of demolition is just getting rid of all of the baseboard and casing and that sort of thing. Reason being is it makes it much easier to pull the drywall off the wall. So far you can see baseboard has been removed. That's all going. Some of the door casing, that's this stuff here, has also been removed. Continuing to work on that. Coming through here, nothing much in here. We're hoping to actually repurpose these cabinets for another project for somebody so that they don't just go to the landfill because, hey, reduce, reuse, recycle, right? Sunken living room. This was all the rage back in the late 80s and 90s. Kind of feels cool. It also is nice to create this extra ceiling height. What it also does is extremely reduce furniture placement because you now have to have places for stairs to be and people to walk down and whatever else. So we've talked with the clients and we're going to level this floor up and just make the entire main floor be all on one plane, therefore minimizing any sort of restrictions on furniture placement in here. In here, this is a wall of cabinetry for the old school 1990s equipment, probably like the 4-mile deep television, if you remember it's a cathode ray tube. Massive TVs. Anyways, I'm here after hours. The team has already gone home for the day. So I haven't seen what they've been up to. I'm not expecting it to be meticulously immaculate in here. And it's not. And that's quite all right. However, we are in good shape. They're getting lots of work done. This is the primary bedroom, right? That'll be the ensuite here, closet here. Layout up here is not really changing at all. We're just refacing it. Yeah, the team has been getting good progress done, it takes time and we're not throwing every person we have at this project right now because we're still in the planning phase. This client was pretty keen to get this project underway as soon as possible because they've just purchased it. They want to move in as soon as possible. So we're just getting what we can out before getting too carried away. So this is going to become just a dedicated mudroom. And then this is actually going to become a dedicated laundry area. This is going to be awesome. Like just pimped out, awesome laundry facility. Though it looks like we've got the main water shut off here. A little concerned to see rust and whatnot. Not quite sure what's going on here. Need to get a closer look for sure. This little gadget here is called a PRV, or pressure reducing valve. That is a really important component of your house. If you find when you're having a shower, if somebody else turns on a tap or something like that and you get a major reduction in pressure, chances are pretty good your pressure reducing valve in your home is kaput. So they just need to get replaced. What it does is, the pressure coming from the city could be 70, 80, 90 PSI sometimes, but we really don't want to have it much more than 60 PSI inside of the house. So this bad boy here reduces the pressure, hence pressure reducing valve, PRV. And that is what controls the water flow coming into the house. So if you're finding that you're getting a lot of flow variation in your home, that is your likely culprit. It's a cool basement. It's going to be cooler, promise you that much. We're going to put in a bathroom here, steam shower here, sauna over there, or vice versa. I can't remember exactly which. This platform is going away, hopefully. Old school television, movie room. Kyle, who is holding the camera right now, he's of a slightly younger genre. So let's see if he knows what this was for.
Blu-rays and DVDs. Really? Wow.
Think older.
CDs, records?
VHS tapes. I didn't think you'd get that. Team's made great efforts this week. It's looking good. I mean, again, like I said, we're not throwing every ounce of person power at this thing that we possibly can, but we're just slowly starting to chip away at things. The way that this house was laid out before, you've got the front door right here, office right here, right off the main foyer. Awkward. So what we are gonna do is we're actually gonna put a closet over here. I'm trying to go off memory now. The door for the office is gonna come in off of this main hallway here. So now, instead of having to go around the corner to find the coat closet for the front entry, it'll now be right by or at the foyer. And also it'll provide just a little bit more privacy to the office so that when people walk into the house, it's not the first thing that they're seeing, which, I don't know, just this felt odd from day one, but it's an easy fix, easy fix. I am so grateful that you're still here watching this video. Thank you very much. Please, please, please like and subscribe to get future updates. If you want to renovate your home, call Sprucehill. We are always going to fight for you, and we are going to deliver a phenomenal project experience. We are great. I think we're awesome. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and you stay awesome too. Bye now.